found this tool, really cool for Photoshop. It's a Photoshop script, and basically you can cut out hundreds or thousands of images in all-in-one operation. It's kind of like it's like a little tool plugin, but you do it from the script menu. And so you go to Photoshop and do it from the script menu, but really cool. Check this out, I'm gonna show you. Come over here to Photoshop, load Photoshop. And instead of editing all those pictures separately in Photoshop, you can run Pressmark BatchCutout script. And so, you come up here to the File menu, hit File, go down to Scripts. Okay, go to Scripts, go down to Browse. You can load it in there. We got the old version in here, BatchCutout, but we got the new version, v1.0. You want to go down here to Browse, and you can just load it to the machine, run the script, and cut out all your images and put it into another folder. So basically, we're going to go ahead, hit Browse. We're going to go to the folder where we have the script. Okay, so we got the BatchCutout version 1.0. We just want to open it. All right, so right away, Pressmark BatchCutout version 1.0. So you got background types. You could just simply go down here to A1. I mean AI remove background. That pretty much removes everything to AI. That's what we want to do. You can set your tolerance. 28 is fine. You can set, this long edge. And then you can just change the file name suffix here. So then you got cutout style. Okay, so now this is what's new in version 1.0, this screen here. So basically, you can cut out and add borders, and shadows even. So this is clean, transparent style. All this grayed out, so you can just do your regular clean cutout, and you also can do these different ones. You can do white sticker plus shadow, paper cutout, floating shadow, pop sticker, accent glow, spray paint, torn paper, rough edge, and distressed stamp. Let's try this torn paper. Okay, got border width 22. That's fine. Like a neutral color there. Okay, all these look fine. Erosion. You can change these different settings. That's pretty cool. Choose folder. So now I'm going to find the pictures I want to cut out. I got portraits here on the desktop. Portraits. So I want to cut all these portraits out and stylize the edge. And you can save it in a new folder, but I'm just going to save it in the same folder. So I'm just going to hit open on the output folder. Look at all these images. They're getting their cuts. It's now adding the prefix on there, cutout, portrait 38 cutout, portrait 39 cutout. And not only is it cutting it out and it's adding the torn effect on there, so you're getting like an effect on the picture cut. So it's nice to just cut it out, but now it's cutting it out and stylizing the cut. So you're getting a style cut and cutout, okay? 49 cutout. It's not like super fast, but it's definitely just moving and it's cutting all the images, styling them out. All right, I think it's going to cut the principal out, yeah. All right, so process 52 is skipped none. It has a style of torn paper, the output folder. Okay, so I can just go in here and create like a new thing or something. And I'll just make something quick to see the background, so to see it. And let's just put one of these images in here, see what they look like. Portraits, and so we're just going to get a cutout. Oh, it's like a sticker. And there you go. Yeah, you probably could fringe the edges even more. Probably don't need the halo. All right, so it looks like a sticker, but, we probably can tweak it. All right, there you go. Pressmark BatchCutout 1.0. Remember, you can just do the clean cutouts or you can stylize.